What if I told you that Google secretly released one of the most powerful AI video tools right now, and almost nobody is talking about it? Not just for generating random AI clips, but for creating full YouTube videos, AI avatars, voiceovers, visuals, scripts, and even complete faceless automations content all inside one platform. And the craziest part is, it is now available for free. Earlier, this AI tool was mostly limited to premium users and professionals only, but Google quietly rolled out a free version of it, and most creators still don't know about it. This is a huge deal, especially right now, because almost every serious AI video tool has become paid. CapCut is paid, Flow AI is paid, even many free AI generators are now removing features completely. And honestly, this has been very frustrating for small creators, but this AI tool changes a lot. Because this is not just another text-to-video AI tools, where you generate one clip and leave. This is a complete AI content creation system. You can create AI videos, AI avatars with smooth lip sync, faceless automation videos, voiceovers, slides, stock footage videos, and even a full script to video projects in just a few clicks. No jumping between 5 different AI tools, no stressful editing workflow, and no need to keep exporting and importing files over and over again. And trust me, tools like this usually don't stay free forever. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to access it, how to use it, and how to create powerful videos using Google Vids. So make sure you watch till the end. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Now let's get started. To use this AI tool, simply open your browser and search for Google Vids. Then click on the first result that says Google Vids AI-powered video creator and editor. Now don't worry, getting started is very easy. Just click on Sign into Vids and choose your Gmail account. This is the first interface you'll see once you land on the website. Now, the first thing you'll notice here is VEO 3.1. And yes, VEO is completely free to use here, which is honestly very impressive. You'll also notice that Google Vids gives us 6 different ways to create videos, but the one we are going to start with is the Google VEO AI text-to-video generator. To use it, simply click right here. This is the dashboard you'll see now. In here, we can either create a video from scratch or animate an image we already have. But before you rush to generate anything, watch these steps carefully. Don't worry, I'll show you everything step by step. To create our first video, add your prompt right here. And since we don't have any image yet, make sure you leave this under Create from Scratch. Then select your aspect ratio. Make sure it is under 16:9 and click on Generate. You'll notice that the VEO 3 inside Google Vids is very fast because it can create any video in less than a minute. Now, watch this. Our video is ready, and this is what we have.
12 seconds, huh? I guess that's how strong people start.
Pretty impressive, right? Especially considering this was generated in just a short time. Now, simply insert the video onto the canvas and then download it. You can create almost any type of video you want using this AI tool. Now, look at this channel. It was created just a few months ago, and it already has almost 50,000 subscribers. One of their videos is also close to 1.9 million views, and honestly, that's incredible. Now, imagine being able to create this type of content directly using Google Vids for free. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step, using this free AI tool. Now, to create a video like this, the first thing you need is a good video idea. And for that, come to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 10 powerful 3D animated cartoon video ideas. But wait, don't hit on the generate button yet, because we want the videos to feel human, emotional, and more engaging to watch. And this is where everything gets very interesting. And I'm going to use this prompt right here. Simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT and click on Generate. Now, ChatGPT will think deeply and generate 10 powerful 3D animation video ideas that we can turn into amazing videos. And as you can see right here, the titles are now ready. The next step now is what we call scripting. This is where we turn one of these ideas into a powerful storytelling video script. Now, we are going to use this prompt right here to create the full video script. And if you want this prompt for yourself, simply write, I am interested in the comment section, and I'll send you the PDF of the prompt directly. Now, just copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, take one of the 10 video titles that ChatGPT generated earlier. Paste it right here and click on Generate. And now, ChatGPT has generated the complete script for that video idea. You'll notice that ChatGPT organized everything very nicely. We have the prompt for the character image, the prompt to animate that character into a video, and even the voiceover for the scripts is below it. So first, copy the character image prompt. Then go back to Google Vids, click on images, and paste the prompt right here. After that, select the aspect ratio, choose 16:9, and click on generate. Now insert the image into the scene 1 timeline and resize it to fit the entire screen. Next, we're going to turn this image into a video. And this is where it gets really interesting. Simply tap on the image and you'll see 3 different options. Click on the first one that says convert to video. Then copy the video prompt, including the voiceover from ChatGPT. Paste it right here and click on generate. And now Google Vids will start generating our first video. Once it finishes, click on the video, then click on replace to replace the image with the generated video. And here's what we have now.
I kept saying I was tired. I kept saying I was tired. But I never noticed my mother was even more tired than me.
As you can see, everything looks really good. The visuals, the voiceover, and even the lip sync. Now, click on this plus icon right here to create the second scene timeline. Then simply repeat the same process for the rest of the scenes. And this is the final result we have now.
I kept saying I was tired. But I never noticed my mother was even more tired than me.
I told myself, I'll start tomorrow. Every single day felt the same.
That actually looks amazing, right? And one thing you'll notice here is that Google Vids maintain the same character consistency across all the scenes. Now, this is very, very important. The reason we didn't generate the full video directly is because we want to have character consistency, and to achieve that, we need to create the character image first, then converted it into video, scene by scene. That helps Google Vids keep the same character appearance throughout the entire video. Now, the second most powerful use case of Google Vids is this. If you're doing YouTube automation, then you already know that image-based videos are performing really well right now. And the good thing is, you can create those types of videos using this single tool alone. For example, let's say you choose the finance niche. To create videos in that niche, all you need is a script and prompts that match your script. Now, this is the prompt I'm going to use to create that type of video. Simply copy the first prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and click on generate. Then ChatGPT will give you 10 powerful video ideas. So now we already have the video idea. The next step is getting the script, the visuals, and the voiceover. To do that, copy the second prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then choose the topic you want from the 10 ideas ChatGPT generated for you earlier. As you can see, ChatGPT has now given us the complete script, the image prompts, and even the voiceover below each scene. Now, the next step is to copy the image prompt and paste it into Google Vid text to image. Select the 16:9 aspect ratio, then click on generate. And just like that, this becomes our scene 1 visual. Insert it into the timeline, then repeat the same process for the rest of the scenes. So here are all the image scenes we have. And as you can see, they actually look incredibly good. Now, we can also animate each one of them by clicking on the scene timeline and selecting convert to video. Then simply place the command that say convert to video right here. But to turn this into a complete video, we also need a voiceover. And this is the good part of this AI tool. As you can see, ChatGPT already gave us the voiceover below every scene visual prompt. So all you need to do is to simply copy it. And as you can see, this is one of the most powerful parts of Google Vids AI. And now, this is the feature that will really impress you. Because with this, you no longer need to switch between different tools to create voiceovers and edit your video together. We can do everything directly inside Google Vids. Simply click on voiceover and add your narration right here. You can add everything at once or do it scene by scene. Since I already have my scenes prepared, I'm adding the lines one by one. You'll see it appear like this. Take your time and make sure each narration matches the correct visual. Now, for voiceovers, Google Vids gives us many different narrators to choose from. Just pick the one that fits your video style the best. For this example, I'm choosing Motivator because the voice sounds energetic and honestly, it fits this type of video really well. Now, generate the voiceover line by line. Align everything with your scenes. And this is the result we have now.
For decades, Nike was more than a shoe company. It was culture itself. But in 2026, something changed quietly. The next generation stopped caring. Gen Z no longer buys brands just because celebrities tell them to. They buy identity, uniqueness, and internet relevance. Nike became a victim of its own success. The company optimized for mass production, while young consumers started craving individuality. Wall Street demanded constant growth. So Nike focused heavily on maximizing profits, expanding product lines, and increasing shareholder value. But younger audiences were moving toward limited...
We've already seen that it can create images, text to video, and even image to video as well. Apart from that, we can also generate full video scripts directly inside this tool. For example, If I go back here again and select storyboard, then add the topic that you want to create a video about, and Google Vids will automatically start building the video directly. First, it creates the outlines for you, and this is very useful because you can review everything first and double check the factual information. Then once you click on next, and it gives you multiple templates you can choose from, and this is where it gets really interesting. After selecting the template, Google Vids automatically creates the complete video for you with the voiceover, music, visuals, and everything included. You can see it right here. It already has the scenes, voiceover, music, and transitions. Basically, everything you need to create a complete video in one place. So as you can see, Google really designed this editor to be a complete all-in-one package for creators. You can let your creativity flow and create almost anything you want. And if you've been searching for one AI automation tool that can handle most of your projects in one place, this is definitely one of the best options to try. Another thing I really like is that everything is cloud-based. That means all your videos are automatically saved here, keeping everything clean, organized, and easy to manage. You can even share your projects instantly using this shareable link right here. Honestly, there are so many powerful features inside this AI tool. Once you start exploring it yourself, you'll notice how much it can actually do. And yes, if you have any questions about anything in this tutorial, just ask me down in the comments, and I will try my best to reply to every one of you. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others as well. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck.